I used to be really proud of belonging to a designer community in the global north because designers are seen as innovative people, forward-thinking, avant-garde, change managers. But I'm no longer proud of calling myself a designer or part of that community because in 2021, design can no longer just be about fashion. Design is about system change. We can design new systems because the way the world is going right now and clothing production, it's not the future. Design has to be about textiles. Design has to be about raw materials. We need to understand that as designers, everything we produce is going back into the earth. We need to leave this planet a better place. It's important for all of us to understand that the world is not flat. There is a sense of togetherness that needs to be cultured. Everything that you do in the global north affects our lives here in the global south.
Design is absolutely critical to the fashion industry's future. At the design stage, the decision making that the designer makes can reduce or eliminate almost every impact that a product has throughout its life cycle.
At Zero Waste Design Online Collective, we believe that waste is a design flaw.
A design flow that causes 60 billion square meters of textile waste annually.
A design flaw that has disastrous implications for our environment.
We believe that it is imperative that this design flaw is addressed and corrected.
Design is not an independent process. It should be directly linked to pattern making and optimization from the outset.
Every person involved in the process should interact along the way to ensure that the best, most efficient product is made.
This methodology is intricately linked to a holistic and circular design practice rather than the established linear process.
Employing circular design requires a massive shift in thinking and flexibility from everyone involved.
Policymakers can help enact this change through incentives for high efficiency products and transparency, while creating a method of holding those accountable who are making the decisions.
Educational institutions can also be rewarded to adopt a more insightful curriculum that teaches both the problems and solutions around waste in design.
In the new legislations that we propose together as Fashion Revolution with other 59 NGOs, there is something called responsible design. Responsible design in fashion is key because everything starts from the design room. One of the key issues of having a piece of clothing being circular is that this piece of clothing can be recycled or even composted. We have to make sure that designers understand this and find a solution that is aesthetically pleasing, but that will also have an answer for the end of life of that garment.